Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I bought myself an 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬 Gel X nail kit. I got it on Amazon for £19.99, so £20, but the price changes every now and then, so it was £22 now, sometimes it's 25. But guys, for the price, the amount of things you get in it is just amazing. So I'm so excited. Let's get to the unboxing. First, on the card, it gives you like a step-by-step how to prep, how to apply, and how to remove the Gel X nails, which is great for beginners. And you can follow those instructions and get it right every time. Next is the mini UV lamp. This is by far the cutest UV lamp I've ever used. And the wire it comes with is a perfect length. It's not too short, not too long. I'll plug the lamp in later on in the video and you can see how it works. Next, we have the full cover nail tips. This is my first time ever using full cover nail tips. First things first, you know I love long nails, and the length of these are perfect. They also have a nice round cuticle area, so it just slides perfectly into my cuticle area. I also love the shape of these. Like, it's got a really nice apex, because I've seen some full cover nail tips and the apex is just flat. So I love these, no complaints from me. It also comes with a cute fluffy pink nail brush. Perfect, really soft. Now for the nail tools. First, we've got a cuticle pusher. Most nail kits come with a cuticle pusher, but you can never have enough, so I'm not complaining. Next, some curved nail clippers and some tip cutters. These are the standard cheap ones. Like, they don't feel very, premium, but it's alright, I'll take it. I'm not complaining. Ooh, next we've got my nail file. It's a washable nail file. I've never had one of those before, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. I believe it should last longer because it's washable. Then we've got the pencil and the cuticle fork. Oh yeah, the rhinestones that came with this kit are absolutely amazing. Like, they're so shiny and such good quality. Like, I actually used them in the previous video, my 4 nails, and they were so shiny. I was so shocked. But don't worry guys, we're gonna use them more in future videos. So yeah, I'm so glad that these rhinestones were added to this kit. Guys, let's just get straight into the meat of this, the star of the show, which is the polishes. Guys, I am so in love with these polishes. You have no idea. First of all, I got the kit because they were all pink. Let's just get that out of the way. You guys know I'm a pink lover, so as soon as I saw all the pink polishes, I said I'm getting this kit no matter what. And also, this kit comes with a matte top coat. Can I tell you guys something funny? I actually bought a 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬𝐬 matte top coat in the same order I ordered this kit because I didn't look hard enough. I literally just saw the pink polishes and I said I'm taking this kit. I didn't even know that it already came with a matte top coat, so I got an unopened matte top coat in my drawer, which is just so funny to me. Also, have you guys noticed that the shiny top coat has a shiny bottle and the matte top coat has a matte bottle? I just thought that was cool. Before we get to the swatching, the best top coat I've ever used, has come from 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬, because if you remember, I unboxed the polygel kit and the top coat that came in that was literally the best top coat I've ever used. It really is no wipe and it cures in 60 seconds. So yeah, 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬, you guys know I'm in love with you. So if 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 wants to send me some stuff, you guys know I would just like melt. I love their products. The glue gel worked really well. I actually stuck the rhinestones on with it and it's just stuck so good. And now for the cuticle oil. It smells really nice. It's very lightweight. It's not a thick, greasy cuticle oil. Like, it's not a heavy oil. Oh yeah, before I forget, the lamp, it's not a click button lamp. Like, you don't click a button, it's like a sensor, so you just gently tap it and it comes on. But you can't tap it to turn it off. You have to like unplug it or wait the full 60 seconds for it to cure. And that's something I like about this lamp, because 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 gels, even the polygel, it all cures in 60 seconds, which is just like amazing. 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬, when it comes to quality, like, yeah, they're up there. So let's get to swatching these pinks, guys. I'm so in love with these pinks. I can't wait to do a set with them. These polishes go on so smoothly. I'm not just saying this, they really do. They go on so smoothly. They are really lightweight, so they're not like a heavy, thick gel. That's probably why it cures so quickly. And it doesn't wrinkle up. You know those issues you get with gel polishes where they wrinkle up on your nail? This never happened, ever. They're cured fully in 60 seconds. The pigmentation in this is beautiful. I did 2 coats just so you guys can see the full potential of the polishes. Guys, you can see it. It's not like I'm trying to convince you anything. These polishes are just beautiful. Like, what?
Hey, I've been working 9 to 5. You've been always on my mind. Yeah, I just wanna go home. Sitting on the Interstate 5. Driving could never ease my mind how I wanted to. Yeah, I just wanna know, will you stay with me on the west side? my worst time. Hold me closer so I feel fine. Whoa, yeah. Oh, nah. Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the west side blues, yeah.
But now when it comes to this polish, isn't it just the prettiest red shimmer polish? It hasn't got a name, it's just 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬. It was just the perfect addition to these polishes. Just imagine the Christmas sets I can do with this red glitter polish. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm so in love. Guys, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss the sets I'm going to do with these polishes. Oh, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm excited.
Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the west side blue, yeah.
If you watched the whole way, thank you so much. I love you. I'll see you in my next one, everyone. Bye.